Today, I will give you the lowdown on 6 easy ways to make girls totally obsessed with you. And the best part? All you gotta do is kick back, relax, and stick around till the end of this video. You ready? Let's dive in. First off, ditch the whole idea of making impressions. See, most dudes, when they meet a girl they're into, their first thought is, I gotta be impressive. I gotta make her like me. They're all about building rapport, doing everything to catch her interest. And the moment she shows even a hint of attention, they go into overdrive, fearing she might lose interest. Big mistake. The thing is, when a woman catches on that a guy's trying too hard to impress, she sees it as neediness. And if you've been following my videos, you know neediness is the ultimate attraction killer. Nothing turns ladies off more than a guy desperately seeking approval. So here's the deal. Forget about making good or bad impressions. Erase the whole impress thing from your mind. Literally wipe it out. Instead, adopt a new mindset. A belief held by the top 1% of quality guys out there. It goes like this. If I spend enough time with a girl, she's bound to like me because I'm awesome. Got it? So hang out, be yourself, have a good time, express yourself, no filters, no doubts, no neediness. The guys who date incredible high-quality women live by this. They know it's just a matter of time until the girl gets drawn to them. These guys don't stress about making an impression, they're just genuine in their interactions. No doubts, no neediness. And you know what happens? Girls start getting attracted, even obsessed, because this guy's sure of himself. For a stunning girl, meeting a dude who isn't fixated on making impressions is like hitting the jackpot. Why? Because 99 out of 100 times, the guys hitting on her are all needy and desperate. So when that one dude who's chill comes around, it's something truly special. Alright, let's dive into number 2. Expressing a variety of emotions is key when dealing with women. Most guys usually fall into 2 camps. There's the nice guy, always positive, giving compliments and staying on the safe side of conversations. Then there's the wannabe bad boy or tough guy, always edgy, teasing and trying to be challenging. Here's the deal. Both approaches are equally bad, and let me tell you why. Women crave a mix of emotions. That's what hooks them, keeps them interested, and let's be real, gets them going. If you're all sunshine and compliments all the time, it gets predictable and frankly, boring. On the flip side, if you're always playing the edgy, provocative card, that gets old quick too. You need a balance, man. And you probably already do this in your everyday interactions. Think about how you chat with your buddies, your family, or even people you're not trying to impress. It's a mix of positivity, encouragement, compliments, teasing, challenging, and setting boundaries when needed. It's natural, right? So when you're around women you're into, let it flow the same way. Girls are drawn to guys who express a range of emotions because it's an exciting, arousing experience for them. The unpredictability of what you'll say or do next is a turn-on. Keep them guessing, keep them on their toes. The more you sprinkle doses of arousal into the mix, the more attracted they become, and you guessed it, the more they obsess over you. By the way, if you're vibing with this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It not only helps the video reach more guys who need it, but it also makes me feel awesome because I pour a lot of effort into making these videos for you. Thanks a bunch if you've hit that like button already. Alright, moving on to number 3. Let's talk about being a killer kisser. Listen up. All girls want a guy who can rock a good kiss. It's like a fantasy we've all got, and if you're the dude who can blow her mind with your smooching skills, it's game over. She's gonna be obsessed with you. But hey, let's start with the basics. First off, make sure you're not sporting bad breath. Trust me, bad breath can ruin a kiss before it even starts, and it'll have the girls second-guessing smooching you again. Not a good look. Secondly, keep those lips soft and kissable. Dry chapped lips? Major turnoff. Lastly, don't be in a rush. A good kisser takes it slow. Here's the lowdown on a good kiss. Start with some gentle, seductive eye contact. Let her know something exciting's about to happen. Then fix your gaze on her lips and slowly lean in for the kiss. Emphasizing slow here, because taking your time builds up that sexual tension and gets her all excited about the impending kiss. As you start kissing, don't go full throttle right away. Begin gently, take it slow, then gradually amp up the intensity. Get a bit more passionate, a bit more aggressive. You know, feel the moment. Honestly, just talking about this whole process is getting them all fired up. I mean, I love kissing, and I hope you'll follow this playbook and make it memorable when the time comes. Alright, let's get into point number 4. Being a good lover. Now, if you can blow a girl's mind in the bedroom, she's gonna be hooked. But let's clear up some misconceptions here. Most guys think it's all about the size of your junk and having this extreme stamina, going on like a machine for what feels like 700 minutes. But I gotta tell you, that's not the real deal. For now, let me give you the lowdown on being a sensual lover. First off, forget the size talk. It's all about technique and connection. Many guys miss the connection part, but it's crucial. What you do matters way more than what you're packing. You can have a tree trunk in your pants, but still be a letdown if you don't connect. Secondly, just like with kissing, don't rush things. Getting too intense too quickly kills the sexual tension, and without that build-up, it's not fun for the ladies. So take it slow. And here's a pro tip. Don't look to porn clips for inspiration. They're far from accurate, and trying to copy some wild moves can actually end in injury for you or her. Lastly, be generous. No girl likes a selfish lover, but unfortunately, that's the norm for many guys. Stand out from the crowd by catering to her needs first. Spend some quality time pleasing her body, and trust me, she'll return the favor in amazing ways. Not to mention, she'll keep coming back for more because you've become her go-to amazing lover. It's a win-win. Alright, let's dive into number 5, giving each other some space. Look, if you're always at her beck and call, constantly hanging out and replying to her texts at warp speed, it's gonna get real dull for her. There's no thrill in it. It kills the excitement in your relationship or whatever you're building. Plus, it sends the message that you don't have much else going on in your life, like your whole world revolves around her. Trust me, no girl's into a guy who's 24/7 available. It's smart to have other things cooking in your life, keeping you engaged. And it's totally cool to cancel plans or shoot her a reply a bit later, not like a whole day later, but just a little later. Now don't go overboard with it. I'm not telling you to go all out and be swamped for a whole month or even a week. No. I said less available, not unavailable. The key here is finding that sweet spot, that balance. When you hit that sweet spot, you'll notice her attraction for you shoots up, maybe even to the point of obsession. It's about finding that right rhythm, you know? Now let's talk about number 6, making her laugh. I always say if you can crack a girl up, you've got the key to a whole lot more. I mean, there's hardly anything more enticing to a woman than a dude who can bring on the laughs. The value and power of this skill are off the charts, but unfortunately, a lot of guys don't fully get it. Imagine asking some random guy on the street what advantage he'd want in life to help him attract women. He'd probably throw out things like looks, money, or fame. Now don't get me wrong, those things can grab a woman's attention, no doubt. But attention doesn't equal attraction. If you want both, attention and genuine attraction, and you want it to come naturally, the biggest ace up your sleeve, believe it or not, is a killer sense of humor. It's a game changer, my friend. By the way, if you find value, hit that like and subscribe button for more content. Thanks for watching.